On Chinese New Year's Eve, as light snow fell, the little fire dragon Yang Yang flew slowly above the village.
What a nice smell!
Yang Yang landed outside the little house window and peered in.
We'll wrap all our good luck in it.
She sneezed softly.
Grandma! Look! A little fire dragon! Let's invite him in!
Dear little dragon, come in and make dumplings with us.
Yang Yang flapped her wings and flew into the house.
Yan Yan, try this! It's yummy! Yummy, yummy! All of us!
This is a red packet for you. Wish you a happy new year.
Thank you. Thank you, Jasper! Happy New Year! Goodbye!
Yang Yang flew into the snowy night sky, her tail trailing a warm golden-red light, slowly flying into the deep blue night sky, gradually becoming a bright little light.